Okay, so let's do assignment 11. So I'm on Canvas here. Go down to assignment 11. Here it is. Click on it. Click on the directions. Okay, so step 1, open Google Doc, name it this A11 paired sample t-test and put your name here. Let's do that. So open Google Docs. Google Docs, there it is. Okay, so open a blank doc. Change title. And put your name here, so I'd say Professor McLaughlin. Okay, so we're done with step 1. Let's go back to directions. So paste these directions into your Google Doc and then close directions. Okay, so let's take all the directions, close directions, paste them here. Okay, so I've done step 1 and we've done step 2 also. Let's take those away. So 3, paste the problem below at the bottom of your Google Doc. So just click on the problem. Okay, this is the problem we have to do. We'll look at it in a second. We'll just take it and paste it at the bottom. Okay, so copy, close the problem now. Paste at the bottom here. Okay, so we've done step 3, problem. Step 4, paste the output below the problem in your Google Docs. So click on the template. Okay, take this, copy it, close it, paste it at the bottom below our problem. Enter. Okay, let's paste it here. Okay, so done that step. Done step 4. Step 5, now using templates as a guide, write our code that would solve problem 2. So solve the step 2 problem, sorry. So here's our problem down here. Let's put it in a new page. Okay, so suppose you work at a large healthcare clinic and you are testing a new drug, Procardia, that's meant to reduce hypertension, so high blood pressure. You find 30 individuals with high systolic blood pressure and give them Procardia for a month and then measure the blood pressure again. The data below shows the pre-treatment and post-treatment blood pressures of the individuals in your study. Write the R code that does the following. Okay, so A makes 2 box plots, an orange one for pre-treatment, red one for post-treatment, and it has a title and names things. Let's go down here to our template. So the template says put name of data set before treatment. So before treatment, here's our data right here. So here's the blood pressure, 150, 155. So they're pretty high systolic blood pressures right there. And here's the post-treatment blood pressures. So for example, this person that had 150, after they took the drug for a month, their blood pressure went to 140, so it was reduced, and so forth. So the first guy we're calling pre-treatment. So put the name of data set before treatment, so it's called pre-treatment. Paste that there. And put the name of data after treatment, so after treatment is called post-treatment. Put that here. And then put our main title. It's up in the question here. So let's call the main title blood pressure before and after treatment. It's right here. Okay, let's put that as our main title in our template. So paste it here. Okay, got that. And names. Okay, have that fine. And the colors. So the colors, looking up at A, you want orange for the pre-treatment, and red for post. Orange and red. So you want orange for pre, so the orange will be the first one here, and red for post. Okay, so then number in our sample, put the name of data before treatment, so pre-treatment here. That's here. Then standard deviation of our before treatment group, so that would be SD standard deviation, and it's going to be pre-treatment for this one. Then standard deviation of our after treatment, so after treatment is post treatment. So here, so SD post treatment. Then mean of our before treatment, so it'll be pre-treatment. And to the mean of our vector, you're just going to put mean in front and then our vector, so pre-treatment inside here. And then we want the mean of our after treatment, so post-treatment. Post-treatment's here. Here. Okay, so now we're going to do our t-test. So the t-test, this is a paired samples because we're doing a before and after measurement of the same group of people. So put name of data before treatment, so pre-treatment. Okay, put name of data after treatment, so post-treatment. So post. Okay, now to go up and see what they're asking us to do up here. So I think we did A, the box plots, we did B, computes the mean standard deviation, so we've done B also. And now performs a paired two-sided t-test, and so two-sided, and alpha is 0.01, so let's take those down here. So we have up here. Okay, so anyway, it was on the other page here, so it's two-sided, so we're going to choose the two-sided guy here. So, it's already chosen for us. Paired's true because it's before and after, and confidence level will be 1 minus alpha, and our alpha value here is the 0.01, so you're going to go 1 minus 0.01, so that's 0.99. Doing your calculator, it's like $1, take away 1 cent, or 99 cents left. So that's going to go for your guy here, confidence level. Okay, I guess we can get rid of the stuff down here now. So I think now we've answered all the questions. Yeah, performs the t-test, and we compute the mean standard deviation, we did the box plots. So now going up here, we done step 5 now, we wrote the R code. So step 6 now says paste it into run our script, so run our R code. And then also paste it at the bottom of our Google Doc, the output. Let's take our R code now. So starts with these guys here, all the way down to here. Sorry, doesn't include that. Actually, get rid of that, say. Okay, so let's paste it up here. Oh, here. Okay, so let's go to run our script. So type in R command. There it is. Or just click on the link there that I have. Okay, then get rid of this. Paste our guy here. And then you'll see our output here. Let's put it on our clipboard, paste it at the bottom. And then let's take our graph. Our box plot should be on the bottom here. Let's take a look at it here, the box plot. So that's a box plot of the pre-treatment and post-treatment. So you can see the pre-treatment, the median blood pressure is about 155, and after treatment looks like it's about 145. So it definitely looks like there's a drop in blood pressure. Let's copy this to the bottom here. Okay, so now let's go up. So we've done step 6, and we paste at the bottom, we've done step 7. Now let's look at step 8. So we need to look at the p-value for this. Let's go down to our p-value. So, okay, should be down here, right here. So right here is the p-value. So let's paste that below step 8 here. Okay, so now we have to answer the question in step 8. Okay, the E here means 10. So this means times 10 to the minus 6 power. So you have to move the decimal point here back to the left 6 places. So I'm going to write the conclusion now. So looking at our R code, we see our p-value is this guy here. What's moving the decimal place back 6 places would be this thing, so it's essentially 0. So now the alpha is 0.01 from down in the question, so that's much bigger than our p-value. So implies there is a statistically significant difference in the means before and after treatment. So hence, it seems like our new drug, Procardia, helps reduce hypertension. And again, so let you look at that. Again, you can see that if you go down and look at the box plot, just go back to the box plot real quick here. So you can see the post-treatment, the median blood pressure is much lower than the pre-treatment. Let's go back here then. So this would be our answer here then. So we're done with step 8. So step 9 is just to submit this, I believe. Yeah, just submit your doc now. So this will be our answer right here. So let me look at that for a few seconds. You can pause it and look at it. Okay, so now let's submit our guys. So to submit, you just say share, get shareable link, and make sure it says anyone can view. This says anyone at Antelope, so I'm gonna press here, go more, say anyone with link here, then save, then copy this, then you just submit this in Canvas then. So we're done.